So this is again just showing you how we started from. If you look at this figure on the bottom left, you remember the beach environment with the beach waves coming in and out, and what it does to the sand. Very fine sand, good porosity. You know, you can almost see them. And then pay attention to this, like I said, evidence of life. You see this? These are what we call gastropods. Okay, you can see this. You may have a local name for it. These ones, bivalves. These are just showing you that even when the reservoir was deposited, there was activity going on. Living things were there, and those living things, they either help the reservoir quality or they make it poorer by their activities. Okay, and then through time, this thing gets layered one on top of each other. It forms this, what you're seeing on the top left map figure there. And then eventually, for example, this is an example, through time, it gets what we call further indurated or consolidated. They become less porous, they become tighter, okay, especially for class 6. And then some other thing can happen to the rocks. They may get stretched, they may get squeezed, and then you may start seeing something like this. If you look at what we call thin section, if you take a slice of these rocks and look at them in microscope, you can now start studying their porosity. So those green lines there are different kinds of porosity, but I'll talk more on that as we progress. So this picture is just to show you how it starts from being very loose to being layered on top of each other, and then being consolidated, and then being deformed. That's what this cycle is showing you, and I hope you really appreciate the flow.